Hi, my name is Anshul Mehta and I'm staying in Dwarka Sector 6, and I was being treated in Aakash Hospital, Aakash Healthcare, and I was under the Dr. Aashish Chaudhry and Nagesh Chandra, and overall experience in the hospital was very good. All the GDAs, all the nursing staffs were very helpful. All the staffs, all the doctors were very careful and were very helpful over here. I came back just to meet up all the doctors because I was quietly perfect. I was able to walk on my feet. I was undergone with the surgery of spinal cord over here, but now I'm totally perfect and I just came back here to meet all the doctors. Thank you very much.